Food and nutrition. Learning objectives. Food and nutrients. Water. Roughage. Balanced diet. Preservation of food. Cooking food. Junk food. After playing, when you get tired, you come home. You feel hungry and inquire, is food ready? You need energy for every activity, to move, work or play. This energy, you get from food. Food is necessary for all living things. It helps to grow and to fight diseases. Where do we get this food? Let us find out. From animals, meat, eggs, milk, fish. From plants, fruits, vegetables, cereals, pulses, spices, tea and coffee. Food and nutrients. Eating only one type of food will not give your body everything. You need to eat a large variety of food items. Variety of food contain different substances called nutrients. The major nutrients in our food are 1. Carbohydrates. 2. Protein. 3. Fats. 4. Vitamins and minerals. Food nutrients are essential because 1. They help us in performing every task. 2. They help our body to grow in size. 3. They help us in repair or reconstruction of destroyed cells or tissues inside our body. 1. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are the main source of energy for all body functions. Your body breaks down carbohydrates into energy. That is why carbohydrates are called energy-giving nutrients. Sugar and starch are two types of carbohydrates. Rice, wheat, maize and potato contain starch. Banana, custard apple and sugarcane contain sugar and are rich in carbohydrates. Rich in carbohydrates. Gulab jamun. Bread. Dosa. Cake. Chapati. 2. Protein. Proteins are the building blocks that help to grow and repair your damaged body parts. That is why they are called bodybuilding nutrients. Proteins are needed not only for muscles but also for hair, skin and internal organs. Milk, cheese, eggs, fish, meat, pulses and soybean are rich in protein. Rich in protein. Soybean, cheese, milk, peas, pulses, meat. 3. Fats. Fats are nutrients that provide twice as much energy and calories as do carbohydrates or protein. They are stored in the body for future use. Your body uses fat from foods for energy, to cushion organs and bones and to make hormones and regulate blood pressure. Oil, butter, curd, nuts and cheese are rich in fats. Rich in fat. Oil, nuts, cheese, curd, butter. 4. Vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals are nutrients that your body needs in very small amounts. Your body needs them to work properly and fight diseases. That is why they are called protective nutrients. There are 13 vitamins your body needs. They are vitamins A, C, D, E, K and vitamin B. Each vitamin has specific jobs. Fresh fruits, vegetables, eggs, fish and meat contain several vitamins and minerals also. Milk and leafy green vegetables have calcium that is necessary for children to form healthy bones and teeth. Vegetables, fruits, milk, fish, eggs, water. Your body contains 50% to 70% of water. Every vegetable contains water. It is essential in large quantities. It plays an important role in the body's system. If the right amount of water is not taken by a person, he or she may get severely dehydrated. You obtain water from drinks such as fruit juice, tea, coffee, plain water, coconut water and milk. You can also get water from vegetables and ripe fruit. Milk, lemon, watermelon, water, coconut water, tea, cucumber. Roughage. Roughage is the fiber present in the food. It prevents constipation and helps in the proper movement of the digested food in intestines. It has no nutritive value and cannot be digested by the body. Raw vegetables, fruits, mashed corn, Favouite etc. are good sources of roughage. Cabbage, mashed corn, Favouite, radish. Balanced diet. A diet containing all the essential nutrients in correct quantities is known as a balanced diet. It is necessary for the proper growth and functioning of the body. No food includes all the nutrients in the necessary amounts. For a balanced diet, we should eat a variety of foods every day. A balanced diet should contain food items from each of these groups. 1. Cereal group, rice, bread, chapati, noodles, etc. 2. Protein group, meat, eggs, fish, beans, nuts, peas, etc. 3. Milk group, milk, cheese, curd, ice cream, etc. 4. Vegetable and fruit group, fresh vegetables and fruits. Preservation of food. If food is left out for a long time, germs start growing on it. The food begins rotting and is bad for your health and may cause food poisoning. You can preserve food for a long time by many techniques. Boiling. Boiling food items to kill germs such as milk and water. Refrigerating and freezing. Refrigerating and freezing helps to preserve food for a few days. Canning. Storing cooked food in airtight cans is also an effective way of preserving food. These airtight cans keep away moisture and preserve foods for a longer time. Many food items such as fruits, vegetables, fish, and even cooked food are canned and sold in the market. Salting. Salt acts as a food preservative. Salt is added to chips and pickles. Drying. Removing all water from food and drying in sunlight stops germs from growing. Nuts and fruits are dried and can be used for a long time. Sweetening. Keeping food in strong sugar syrup kills the germs. Bacteria cannot live and grow in such solution. Jams, sauce, canned juice and jelly are preserved through this method. Boiling. Freezing. Canning. Salting. Cooking food. Some foods like carrots, cucumber, lettuce and fruits are eaten raw. They must be washed before eating to remove dust and germs. Other foods, like cereals and vegetables, are cooked before eating. Cooking kills the germs that might be present in the raw food. It also makes food soft, tasty, and easy to chew and digest. Cooked vegetable. Before cooking food or eating uncooked food, we should follow these points. Do not overcook food. This destroys nutrients. Vegetables and fruits should be washed before cutting them. Washing after cutting washes away nutrients. Vegetables and pulses should be soaked in just enough water. Instead of throwing the water away, you should use it for cooking food as it contains nutrients. Junk food. Food that has too much of some things that the body doesn't need or not much of things that the body needs is referred to as junk food. Fast foods such as pizzas and burgers, fatty foods, fizzy drinks, candies and chocolate are fun to have sometimes, but it's not good to have them very often. Most junk foods contain a lot of sugar, salt or fat, though our body needs them but in limited amounts. However, when we eat too much of junk food, we miss out on getting enough of the other essential nutrients such as vitamins and minerals. Some other ill effects of junk food are obesity, developing diabetes, digestion problems, fatigue and weakness. Besides of it, junk food may adversely affect heart, kidneys, liver and other vital organs. Summary. Variety of foods contain different substances, called nutrients. Sugar and starch are two types of carbohydrates. Milk, cheese, eggs, fish, Meat, pulses and soya bean are rich in protein. Fats are stored in the body for future use. Fresh fruits, vegetables, eggs, fish and meat contain several vitamins and minerals also. Junk food contains excessive salt, sugar and fats. We should not have such food very often. Keywords: food, any substance that is used as a source of nourishment. Preservation, a process that saves organic substances from decay.